It's a red light. Hold on. Alright, vehicle almost crashed out. 1050, 1050, 1050, 1050, 1050. Alright, vehicle looks like it has a flat left tire. It's 1050 into a concrete barrier. It's still going on Research. Service road southbound, coming up on North Lamar. Vehicle. Alright, yeah, I think vehicle has front left tire or back left tire. It might be flat right now. We have the green light. Research service road southbound in Georgian. 35 miles an hour. It's slowing down significantly. I have no traffic right now. Research service road southbound. Sorry, northbound. Research service road northbound. Coming up on Peyton Gin. 65 miles an hour. No traffic. Alright, hey, be careful. 1050, 1050, 1050, 1050, 1050, 1050. Sorry, EMS.
I'll take it.
Hey, I got this though. Everyone check yourself real quick.
A lot of fire is going to be westbound. We have shots fired. All officers are okay. We have shots fired, shots taken. Line of fire is westbound. Vehicles taken
Hands
up.
up! Put your hands up! Hands! Keep your hands up! Step out of the vehicle with your hands up!
What's your 20? Forward Research. We're giving commands now.
Hey, he's saying he can't get out. Try climbing out the window!
We're intersecting the North Lamar and Research Boulevard. Line of fire is what's on.
Alright, he's coming out. Don't get out, he's compliant.
Driver's not compliant, have the window.
Climb out of the window!
Climb out the window!
Climb all the way out!
Keep climbing out of the window!
Keep moving! Keep moving! Keep climbing out! Keep climbing out!
Message driver's coming out.
Face away from me!
Just static now, we're in all flags.
Alright, walk back for the sound of my voice.
790, have you message at the bus stop from Ward 83 for now?
Stop. Grab your first side of the car, lift it up like it's your waistline.
Call driver right now, he's compliant.
Drop the bag,
Not seeing anyone else.
grab your shirt by the collar, lift it up like it's your waistline. Do it sticker, do it now. We're on facial lake. Walk back for the sound of my voice.
Somebody debrief that guy. The 10 much other people are having the vehicle. Windows are dark, it's hard to tell who's inside. Just 1 second. We're giving him commands, he's compliant. Driver's on his knees, we'll be detained him in a second.